What's going on, Lemons? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. So today we're back at it with the M2. Just got delivered the carbon trunk, carbon swan wing, and diffuser. So we're gonna have to put all this together, take off this trunk, and put it on. It's gonna look kind of crazy, to be honest, because we went with the bigger wing or the smaller wing.
Smaller.
Oh, smaller wing, but it's still a pretty big wing. So we're gonna get this thing swapped over here and, you know, see what it looks like from there. Do a quick walk around, see what it looks like. Factory. Now that we got the trunk off, we're trying to take the badging out, and then the little like bump stops for the trunk. I think we're going to probably just put the trunk on first, get everything buttoned up here, and then we'll assemble the wing, throw that on, and then probably try this diffuser as well.
Oh, it's opposite. I'm a retard, dude. I thought these were good.
I'm gonna have to cut that out. It's just locked. Shouldn't have taken it off. But I didn't know that it didn't. Doing a really good job. Those corners are tighter. Nope. A little shake and bake. All right, time to check to make sure the trunk didn't warp. Looks fine. Yeah, I think we did a good job.
Yeah, go on.
Looks just like the GTR. Same.
Didn't help.
Close.
Go sideways. Looks good. Yeah.
Fender liner's still rubbed. Oh my gosh. so far.
Hey.
What's up? No. I can't reach the pedals still. We're still moving. Sweet.